Hello guys, and we're unboxing Avengers Infinity War, and you can watch this only in cinemas. And this is a new toy around it. And we got Thor, and he he can charge cell phones. One as one Android charger and one iPhone charger, and let's open this up and see what's inside. What is that? And there. Ooh, so cool. And here's Thor. He's cool. No inside the box. Where's and then how to do it. And
Underneath.
where's underneath that. Here. How to do this?
Follow the arrow.
Follow the
Triangle sign.
and how
Go. Come on. Where's the arrow pointing?
this one.
Oh,
Up.
up. Oh, go.
And then
Push. Up.
push.
Lapit mo.
Push. And pagkatapos na push.
Ayan. You insert your nail. Oops.
Ay,
Ayan.
ha? And
May tulungan masitan?
then open and then
Tama.
dito.
Sige. Hindi. Yan. Tama. Ayan o.
Yun, and here we got
Yeah.
one this and one.
Then,
And
you place the
we place
cables here.
cable, the USB,
Here.
and place
There. Here. Here. And then the other two on the other side.
this one. This
Other
two.
side. Other side. Ito. Dyan. Hindi. Singit mo dito.
Oh,
Insert it. Here. Here. So, you can what?
close.
Very good. Yan.
That's it.
That's it.
That's it.
Then, connect it to a
A
laptop or power bank. And
or
then
cell phone.
on the other side.
This one. This
Mm.
one is you can put Android cell phone or iPhones. You can put iPhone cell phone or Android cell phone, and here's the USB. You're gonna put the USB like square. Daddy have one.
Power bank.
Yes. You just charge and put the power bank here, and you can charge now.
Okay. So, thank you ka na.
Thank
Closing.
you. Bye.
Please don't forget to subscribe.
Subscribe below. Sige mo.
Subscribe, like button. Bye.